Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir. Good sir.
So before we start our discussion, we will have a complete part of our activity in your performance class. Okay, so we have here our topic is about power and authority. So part of that, we will have this activity. You are going to create, so you are like in your group, you are going to create words, acronym. This is called an acronym activity. So we have here power. So at least you think of any word starts with letter P, O, W, E, and R. Make sure all those words are actually connected with the idea of power. And another one, you need to create a web app. Okay? So power at the middle part, because you are going to think of an idea or word or place and be connected with power. Okay? So this is called a web app. So think of an idea, place, people, and be connected with the word power. Okay, so you already have your answer. So let's go to group 1 to report the answer. Because after this, I'm going to choose the winner. I give you plus 10, second plus 5, then the last, the third group plus 2. Okay, so let's start with group 1 to explain your answer.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. My name is Madeline Hernandez, 25 Marga, and I'm from Group 1. And as you can see, this is my opinion about power. P is also politics. Why politics? Politics is also politics reminds us that everyone for example, the politics is our president. They can control us. They can use powers. They can use powers to rules, to magbigay ng mga utos sa mga mas nakakabawas sa kanila. Kasi yung politics natin, siya yung magbibigay sa atin ng utos sa mga taas. Kasi politics, mga governance, presidents, other country. Then, the second one is obligation. May obligation ang power sa obligations. Why? Obligation is all about yung paano natin pauunlarin yung yung bansang pinakakagawa natin. And then the third one is God. What? Sa wealth is all about kayamanan. Ang kayamanan kasi is part of power. Why? Kasi ang kayamanan hindi lahat sa society natin is mayaman. We have a different country. We have a different race and ethnicity. Kasi sa natin, meron tayong mas mataas, mas nakakababa, at pinakamababa. Para naman sa equality. Equality equals the power. Bakit? Kasi ang equality, dito na papasok lahat ng mga race, favorite pa bang mga religions, maliniwala, cultures, and disease. May higit sa equality sa powers, hindi lahat pantay-pantay na karapatan ang binibigay sa atin. Lalo na sa LGBTQ, iba sa LGBTQ, sa babae at sa lalaki. Para naman sa reputation may kapangyarihan na reputasyon para yaman o lahat ng napalas ng politics na rin. Pero mas nakakaangat pa rin ng politics kaysa sa reputation. Why? But reputation is all about positions. And ang politics, at yung obligation ng politics natin is para ikontrol tayo. Tapos, let's proceed to Mr. Ato.
Okay, excellent morning everyone. My name is Christian Angelo Ato. At ang ating pag-uusapan din about power. Power is all about authority to control everything. May kakayahan tayong mandulin ng lahat ng mga bagay at may karapatan tayo mandulin lahat ng bagay. Magsisimula tayo sa Malacanang. Ang Malacanang ay pinagmumulat ay ang gagamit dito ang mga tulad ng Senado, Presidente, Vice President, at iba pa. Dito naman, sa law, dito naman po pasok yung mga rules. Yung mga idea ng mga presidente na ng mga government na nagpapaunlad sa ating bansa at sa politika. At dito naman daw sa power, sila naman po yung presidente na may kakayang kontrolin ng lahat. May kakayang po silang kontrolin ang batas, sa gawa ng batas at kung ano pa. At dito naman po sa things, sa papel at sa board, dito naman po, ay dito na lang doon sa sinusunod yung mga batas. Kasi sa gawa ko sila ng mga batas dito, sila po yung mga authorize or yung paper para ma-approve ang isang batas na sinasagawa ng isang presidente or senado.
Okay, that's all?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.